Welcome to RemitBee. Here's a quick guide on how to purchase an eSIM directly from our app. Step 1. Open the RemitBee app on your phone. Step 2. Tap on Buy eSIM and complete the device compatibility check to ensure your device supports eSIM. Step 3. Choose a plan that fits your needs. Opt for a local plan for specific countries, a regional plan covering continents like Europe, Africa, or the Middle East, or a global plan for unrestricted connectivity. Step 4. Enter the email address where you'd like to receive detailed instructions and activation options. Step 5. Choose your preferred payment method. Step 6. Check the transfer overview and tap on Complete Purchase. Once your purchase is complete, you'll receive a confirmation message saying your eSIM is on its way. Need help setting up your eSIM? Check out our tutorial on eSIM installation for further details. Happy traveling with RemitBee!